Sam, this is the 10th OAC. I'm sure you have been here a few times for this convention.
Many times, or most times.
What did you think about this 10th convention?
I think it was very good. I particularly think a lot of new ideas. I mean, we got exposed to a lot of new things that is happening around the world. I think what are the new we got a glimpse of what we should be doing in terms of next steps. I think particularly listening to the Amul presentation, listening to Chris, I think it comes across to me, two significant things come across to me. One is OH and technology. So increasingly I think we have to use OH in conjunction with some technology. I think that to my mind is sort of becoming clear. So the power of OH comes out much better and stronger when you combine it with some modern technology. I think the other maybe slightly related point is on interactivity with customers, consumers. And I think in the absence of some measurement, I think if individual advertisers incorporated some response mechanism in their individual media, I think that would be good. I think the third thing which I spoke about, I think since measurement is becoming so important, I think maybe the industry should kind of get one private party or preferably a research agency interested in outdoor research who can do it on a for-profit basis. I think the fourth thing that struck me, and that was based on my session, and I think it was an important takeout, is I think the core competence of the media owner and the core competence of the outdoor agency are two completely different and separate. And therefore, I think they should not hire a talent from each other. I think then both of them will begin to do the same things. Otherwise, I think on the whole it was a good OSC, and I think I would congratulate all of you for putting it together well once again.
Thank you. Do you think that the OH industry is now at an inflection point, considering the new developments, the external environment, and the mood of the industry?
Well, I wouldn't say it's at an inflection point, but I think a few critical things like research, more investments and all that, I think need to happen for us to take it to the inflection point.
Thank you so much, Sam.